Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
Meaning sub question 3. This is also the same method. First take the value -1. Always start with -1. If doesn't become 0, go for +1. Okay. And remember in cubic polynomial every time any +1 or -1 makes the whole polynomial 0 definitely. Okay, don't worry about that. Now let's take -1 now. So if we substitute -1 whole cube, you can check it. So -1 whole cube plus 13 into -1 whole square plus 32 into -1 plus 20. Okay, so now let's start. So -1 whole cube, it is -1. -1 whole square, it is 1. 1 into plus 13, it becomes plus 13. Next, plus into minus, minus 32, it is 32 plus 20. Okay, so here you can observe, we will add plus ones and minus ones. Okay, so if you multiply, so it is plus 13 plus 20. Plus 13 plus 20, it is plus 33. Again, -1 minus 32, it is minus 33. Plus 33 minus 33 cancel, you got value 0. That means which value we substituted in this equation? X is equal to -1, right? That means what is our factor? X plus 1 is our factor. That means we have to divide the whole polynomial by x plus 1. So let's do now. So this is very clear, and if you do one by one, by practicing, it will be very easy. So let's start now. So now write x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So now let's divide x plus 1, okay, by x plus 1 now. So as remember, we substituted x is equal to -1 for the equation. So what happens to the factor? X plus 1, because it is -1. If it is plus 1, it becomes x minus 1. Remember that. Now we are dividing the given polynomial by this factor. So as I told you, always observe the first term. It is x cube. It is x. So it has to become x cube, right? So that means you have to multiply by x square. Because it is plus, so plus. X square into x, it is x cube. Plus into plus, 1 into x square, it is x square. It is very clear. So now changing the sign. Here you have plus, make it as minus. Here you have plus, make it as minus. Only we are changing the bottom, not on the top. Okay, clear. Now cancel this. Plus 13 minus 1. If nothing it is there, you have to consider it as 1, right? Plus 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1, it is 12. So 12x square, and other you copy it as it is. Plus 32x plus 20. Now again observe first term. 12x square you have x. X you have multiplied by 12, means we have to multiply by 12. Only you have x, here you have x square. That means you have to multiply by 12x, remember. Now plus into plus, 12x into x, it is 12x square. 1 into 12x, it is 12x. Okay, now again what you have to do? Minus. Here you have plus, minus. If sign is nothing, you have sign, you consider it as a plus. So I am changing into minus. You have plus here, minus. Again it is cancelled. Plus 32 minus 12. Remember, plus 32 minus 12, you will get 20x plus 20. Okay. Again observe the first term. Here you have x, here you have 20x. That means you have to multiply by 20, means plus 20. 20 into x, it is 20x. 1 into 20, it is 20. Okay, now again minus. 20x cancel, plus 20 minus 20 cancel. Finally you will get 0. The same step you have to follow. Then one of the factor what we have already got, it is x plus 1. Now let us take the quotient. What we have obtained the quotient here, that is x square plus 12x plus 20. The same step what you have did in question number 4. 1 into 20. So a into c, that is 1 into 20, you have to multiply by 20. So when you multiply, you have to get 20. If you add, you have to get 12. Okay, 12 means, as you all know, 20 in which table you will get? 4 5s are 20, but 4 plus 5 you will get 9. Okay, then 20 again you will get 10 2s are, right? 10 2s are 20. So plus you have, so plus. So plus into plus, 10 2s are 20, plus 10 plus 2 you will get 12. Okay, so now let us take that. So x square is as it is. 12 can be written as plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now dividing the terms. So which is the common here? X. So x plus 10. So which is the common here? Again 2 is the common here. 2 if we consider x plus 10. You can observe here x into x, x square, x into 10, 10x. Here I am not explaining again and again. The same thing we solved in question number 4. Factorize the quadratic. The same thing we are doing again here. The only new thing is finding the factor, dividing the polynomial. We are taking the quotient as a quadratic. Then again the similar step. Now what is the you can observe here x into x, you will get x square, x into 10x, 10x, 2 into x, 2x, 2 tens are 20. Again which is the common here? X plus 10 is the common. Remaining will be x plus 2. So which is the OP we got? X plus 1. So x plus 1. So the factors of the given polynomial, that is x plus 1, x plus 10, x plus 2. So these are the three factors of this given polynomial. So sub question 4. Here instead of x we have y. That means we have to substitute the values in the place of y now. So what is the sub question? Y 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Okay. So what is our first step? Only y we have to substitute any values, either plus 1 or minus 1. Either plus 1 or minus 1. Okay. Again let us take minus 1 only. Okay. So if we take minus 1, 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay. While substituting, be careful. Now minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube, it is 1. Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. Observe carefully. Minus 1 whole cube, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. Again, minus 1 whole square, it is 1. 1 into plus, it is plus 1. Next, minus into minus, plus. 2 ones are 2, minus 1. Again, minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. You got 0. That means which is the number we substituted here? X is equal to minus 1. What happens? Sorry, y is equal to, right? So y is equal to minus 1. What happens to the factor? Y plus 1 is the factor. Okay, we substituted minus 1. The factor becomes plus 1. If you substitute plus 1, factor becomes minus 1. The next step, regular step. So division. What is our 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1? That means we have to divide by y plus 1. Okay, because our factor this is. So as I told you, always observe first term, first term. So 2y cube, y. So it has to become 2y cube. So that means we have to multiply by 2. And y we have here y cube. So we have to add 2 more. So that is 2y square. Okay. So now observe. 2 ones are 2, y into y square, it is y cube. So 2y cube plus 1 into 2y square, it is plus 2y square. Okay, now let's start. So again changing the sign. So here you have plus, make it as minus. You have plus, make it as minus. So cancel. Here you have to observe, if nothing is there, you have to consider it as 1, right? Plus 1 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 2 will get minus 1y square. Again the remaining copy it as it is, minus 2y minus 1. Okay, so now here you have to observe minus 1 whole square, right? Minus 1 square, but you have y, only y you have. That means you have to multiply by minus 1, or you can take it as only the minus. Okay, so 1 if it is nothing also, it doesn't happen. So only you can write it as minus y square also. Here minus 1 y square, you have only y. So you have to multiply by minus 1 y or just minus y. So here you can observe minus 1 y into here minus 1 y square. Plus into minus, minus, you will get 1 y. Or just y, you can take it as y. Only to make it understand, I am explaining you in detail. So again, what is our step? By changing the sign. Minus you have plus, again you have minus, plus. Cancel it, cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1, again minus 2 plus 1, you will get minus y minus 1. Again you have minus 1y, you will have only y, right? So that means you have to multiply by minus 1. Minus 1 into y, it is minus 1y, plus into minus, minus 1 ones are 1. Again plus, plus, cancel it, finally you got 0. The value of remainder is 0. So what is the fact, what with the quotient we got? Let us write. So one of the factor what we got, y plus 1 is the factor, take that one, 2y square minus 1y minus 1. So let us multiply a and c. If you multiply a and c, what you got? 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. Again 2 have to get, you have to multiply by 2 only. 2 ones are, but you have highest, it is minus, so take it as minus plus. So now you can observe minus into plus minus, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 plus 1, you will get minus 1. So let's substitute now. 2y square minus 2y plus y minus 1 plus 1y also you can consider. So now splitting the terms, these two terms. So in these two terms 2y is common, 2y is common. So what is will be the remainder? Y minus 1. Again here take it as plus 1 as common, y minus 1. You can check 2y into y, 2y square, 2y into minus 1 minus 2y, plus 1 into y plus y, plus into minus minus 1 ones are 1. What is it? We do this. That means by splitting the terms, you will get y minus 1 as the common. So here you can observe 2y, y minus 1. So here plus 1, y minus 1. So if you take common, y minus 1 is a common in both the case. Remainder will be 2y plus 1. So y plus 1 as we obtained in the beginning itself. So in other two will get from this quadratic y minus and 2y plus 1. These are the three factors of the given polynomial, that is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y plus minus 1. So this is about question number 5 in exercise 4.4.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching.